Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. I hope y'all are doing well. I've got a super rare, very special truck to show you today. Probably not another one out there like it. It's a 2020 Freightliner Coronado glider kit, midroof. One of the last Thompson Cat built glider kits that was able to come off the assembly line and be put together. It was built with a 3406 pre-elog cat, 550 horsepower, 13 speed. Only 266,000 original miles, one owner, extremely clean, Southern. Gotten it fired up and gotten it hot this morning. Gonna do a full walk around, show you everything that we've got underneath the hood, frame rails, everything that you'd want to see as if you were standing here. Let's go ahead and get rolling. There's your miles there. Temps are up, oil pressure's great. This does have the factory cat warranty on it as well for another year or so. Since it was put together at Thompson Cat, it's warranted through OPT warranty through March of 2025. So interior's really clean, really nice. Seats are in great shape. Dash, all that's in good shape. It's a, they had the, they had the little device on the steering column there on the steering wheel. Excellent steers. Looks great. Really cool truck. It'd be hard pressed to find anything else like this available, especially with the cat in it, 3406 pre-log. Just none out there, especially with no miles. I don't really see any paint blemishes, no body work needs to be done. Tanks are in great shape. Like I said, this is a Southern truck too, so no rust anywhere. No dings on the back of the cab. You're clean inside your frame rails. Only damage, you got a little scuff on that half fender and then that one on the inside there. Got matched Firestones, virgin rubber all the way around. Your front drives are a little better than your rear. Like 10, 12, 30 seconds back there, 14 to 16 up on the front drive. Beautiful part about this too, disc brakes, super great option. Don't get that on very many glider kits specifically, but expensive option. Appreciate you guys watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. And also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.